In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove student names from Speedgrader to reduce bias in grading. And if you're watching this and you're human, this is something you need to be proactively addressing. And this is a super quick and easy way to do just that with just a few clicks. So all you're going to do when you're ready to start grading is just open Speedgrader and notice that it does put the student's name and profile picture in the top right here. But if you want to remove that, all you have to do is look for the settings cogwheel in the top left, and then select options. And then there's a checkbox here, hide student names in the Speedgrader. I'm going to select that and then save settings. And you will see that it changes the name to just a generic student number, and it removes the photo from this area. Now I did choose my example intentionally here so that you can see if I'm requiring students to create a cover page with their name or use their name in the file names, this is not going to do anything to reduce bias. So you might want to have a conversation with your students, give them, specific instructions on how to title their papers and what file names to use to make sure that you can use this feature effectively. I hope that's helpful. Keep your eye out for more quick learning tech tips.